Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this E92 M3 in to have some work done. The customer's previously been to us before and had the EVENTURI PLENUM fitted with the carbon intake, which he's really happy with. And today we're going to go with the Stage 2 package and Evolve X pipe. He came to us with this system fitted, which is the stock primary cats and a Remus H pipe from the CATBACK. He's also got the Remus race back boxes as well. So if we take a quick look at the difference between the pipe he has fitted and the Evolve X pipe, the main difference obviously is that the primary cats are deleted, which is where the big restriction is. The Evolve X pipe also has sports secondary cats and resonators at the rear, which the Remus H pipe doesn't. So the sports cats combined with the resonators should take away that raspy sound. Generally with this system and the Stage 2 package combined, you gain around 30 to 40 horsepower. So we're going to give that to the customer, combined with the GTS software as well to help with the gear changing and remove that delay in the reverse. So now that we've taken a look at the two exhausts, we can get this fitted to the car and see how it sounds. So I finished the install on the X pipe with the Stage 2 file and the GTS software. Personally, I think it sounds really nice. It's reduced that raspiness a lot, and the customer's really pleased with the end result. Also, while I had it on the ramp, I adjusted his tips a little bit because they were quite wonky, so I just straightened those out for him. And while he was here, he's decided he wants to have the MMR paddles fitted. So we're going to do that now, make a video. So if you did want a bit more information on that, there'll be one available at a later date.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can watch them over here. If you want to watch what YouTube suggests that you might like from our videos, you can watch them over here. As always, if you haven't already, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below and we will do our best to answer them for you.